So guys, as you know, the latest news, the BC will no longer take exam in India after 25 of July. So here I come up with the reason. I got reason from my one of viewer, and I want to thank to that who gave me the reason. I was also searching for the reason why BC suddenly left their path of IELTS in India, and why IDP took over all their business. So when I go to the website, they have shown if you filled your exam before 25 of July, then you can easily give exam. But if you have booked your exam after 25 of July, then your exam will be taken by IDP. And here is comment of my one of viewer whose name is Ankush Goyal. I want to thank you for this update. He said, under the terms of the agreement, IDP will acquire 100% of British Council's Indian IELTS business for €130 million on a debt-free, cash-free basis. The term also outlines the British Council employees working in IDP in India will become part of the IDP team. The transaction is subject to customary conditions with completion expected to occur in August. And we anticipated the agreement will be finalized in August 2021. At the time, the BCE and the IDP team will come together under the IDP brand to allow for technical system changes. BCWSIPL's final paper-based test will be the 10th July, and the final computer delivery test season will be the 24th July. Means 10 July and 24th July computer delivery test will be the last test of BC, and IDP took over all his business, and the agreement will be finalized in August 2021. Thanks again Ankush Goyal for this update. I hope you got it. I think you don't need to worry, because whether you have to just prepare for IELTS, whether it is conducted by IDP or PC. So don't be worried about it. Just prepare for IELTS and like, share and subscribe this video. Okay guys, bye bye.